The universe was born about 13.8 billion years ago as a result of the Big Bang. Since then, it has been constantly expanding, and galaxies are gradually moving away from each other. But what will happen to it in the distant future? Is there a limit to its existence? And if so, how can the universe cease to exist? Today, scientists are exploring possible scenarios for the future of space, and although we don't know all the details yet, we can already imagine several options. Space is not just a big empty place with stars, planets, and galaxies. It is a complex system that obeys the laws of physics, and scientists are trying to understand how these laws can determine the fate of the universe. Dark energy, a mysterious force that accelerates the expansion of space, plays a major role in these processes. It is one of the greatest mysteries of modern science, and its research can help us understand how the life of the universe will end. To begin with, most stars we can observe have a limited life cycle. Stars burn on their fuel, hydrogen, converting it into helium and other elements. However, this fuel is not unlimited. When stars exhaust their hydrogen reserves, they stop emitting light as they used to. This leads to their extinction. Massive stars, like our Sun, can become red giants, shedding their outer layers to form planetary nebulae, and eventually turn into white dwarfs and dense but cold objects that gradually cool over trillions of years. The death of stars is only the beginning of a large process. At the level of entire galaxies, the expansion of the universe and the interaction between large objects can lead to enormous changes. Galaxies are gradually moving away from each other, and even if they reconnect in the future, as a result of gravitational attraction, in billions of years, all galaxies will be scattered so far across space that there will be no connection between them. This expansion of the universe can also lead to the fact that new stars will no longer appear, and existing ones will gradually fade away as their fuel is exhausted. Black holes, which are one of the most mysterious objects in the universe, also play an important role in its future. They are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their lives. Over time, black holes can absorb everything around them, including matter from the surrounding space. However, they do not remain invisible forever. According to Stephen Hawking's research, black holes can gradually lose mass due to Hawking radiation, which is the result of quantum fluctuations near the black hole's event horizon. This is an extremely slow process, but over time, even the largest black holes can evaporate, which will be one of the factors that will determine the end of the universe. After the last stars disappear and black holes evaporate, the universe will become almost empty space. The temperature will be close to absolute zero, and any physical processes that require energy will stop. It will take a long time, but eventually, all that will be left are particles moving slowly in the vast emptiness. Thus, dark energy, which is currently driving the expansion of the universe, will eventually cause everything left in space to be scattered so far away that energy cannot move from one object to another. In this scenario, the universe could remain forever cold and dark. The temperature in it will be so low that the processes necessary for life and energy will completely stop. It will be, so to speak, cosmic freezing, when all objects in space will stop interacting with each other. Every particle and atom will remain in its place, unchanged for billions of years. Some scientists suggest that even in such a distant future, quantum fluctuations may occur, giving rise to new particles or even new structures of the universe. All of these processes may involve the possibility of new forms of matter or energy, but this is still within the realm of scientific speculation. In addition, there are other theories that suggest the possibility of the rebirth of the cosmos through certain cosmological events. For example, some physicists believe that possible quantum fluctuations can give rise to new stars or galaxies. However, these are currently only theories that require even more detailed research and verification. Well, Despite the fact that we don't know much, we can say with certainty that the universe will not exist forever in the form in which we observe it today. It will change, and its fate will depend on many factors. However, even if the universe gradually fades away, this does not mean that the end will be final. The huge timescales in which these processes take place allow us to imagine that this is just one of the stages in the endless cycle of the universe's evolution.